Alright, so I took a road trip down to the Florida Keys to one of my favorite spots, Islamorada, Florida. And I stopped by the Bass Pro Shops, the Islamorada Fish Company, and right behind it they got all these docks and everything. So I went out the docks and figured I'd drop down, and lo and behold, hit into a huge school of tarpon. They hang out around the docks down there, basically waiting for the fishermen to come back and clean their catch, and they throw out the discarded skins and heads and everything, and the tarpon just feast on it. So there's a ton of them that hang around down there, and they're really big, as you can see here. It's pretty wild to see how many there are. I mean, they just keep coming by here and there, and you can see them from standing on the dock looking down. They're huge. Some of them are 4 or 5 and upwards of almost 6 feet long, probably over 100 pounds. So it was pretty wild to check these out. And underneath them, there's a bunch of snapper that are hanging around the bottom. And they just, so once the fishermen throw out these skins and heads and tails and fins of this fish that they're cleaning, they don't last long there. The last time I was down there, a manatee actually came up and started eating some of the dead skin off the discarded fish. I always thought that manatees just ate like grass and vegetables or whatever, but sure as hell it was sitting there. It was eating a fish carcass, which was pretty wild. But hope you like these videos. I'm gonna keep going. I love checking out the tarpon. A couple of videos after this, we ran into a school of 7 manatees, and then there was a huge shark sitting underneath the dock we were standing on. So if you like these videos, please subscribe and like. Have a great day.